Discover how an e-bike can be a game changer for urban photographers, offering quick access to unique spots cars just can't reach. Save time, skip traffic, and embrace a more sustainable way to navigate the city while capturing stunning photos along the way. Meet the AIPAS F3 Adventurer e-bike, a new way to experience the thrill of your city streets. Built with a durable aluminum alloy frame, the F3 Adventurer is crafted to endure the toughest terrains, yet it is light enough for seamless maneuverability. Whether you're climbing steep trails or zipping down flat roads, the Shimano 7-speed gear shift lets you adapt to every incline with precision and ease. Full suspension means smoother rides, even on the rockiest paths. Get unmatched stability and control on every terrain. With a maximum load capacity of 500 pounds, the F3 Adventurer is your reliable partner for heavy loads, whether it be a day ride of photography throughout the city or to your next photo shoot. Venture with confidence, power, and freedom. Explore the outdoors like never before with the AIPAS F3 Adventurer. Ready to redefine your ride? Discover the power of the AIPAS F3 Adventurer e-bike for yourself at aipasbike.com.